The TUEC Central Vacuum, made by the United Electric Company in Canton, Ohio. This company made their own motors, and they designed their systems around the principle of one large impeller moving a whole lot of air. This model is rated to move 210 CFM. It has a screen to separate the dirt from the air, and the dirt comes in this elbow here. You also have a place to hook up the hose where the machine is located, usually in the basement. And this cap just pulls off. It's not hinged. All of the TUEC inlets were like this. They just had a removable cap with a rubber seal. And you would have had a key on a little chain attached to the hose that you could stick in there and pull that cap out with. So this door would let you clean the screen, and this door down here would let you pull out this tray that had all the dirt in it. It didn't hold a lot. You were expected to empty your central vacuum every time you used it back in the day. When I got this machine, it was in bad shape. I painted it, polished and lacquered the badges. This machine is 240 volts, rated at 9/10 of a horsepower. TUEC built their own motors. Underneath this skull cap, you can see the centrifugal switch, which disconnects the starting windings as soon as the motor gets up to speed. And it doesn't have a lot of starting torque. In fact, it cannot start with the inlet open, so you have to start it and then open up the inlet. Here we go. Put the water lift gauge on it. We have, oh boy, 10 inches. That gauge might be reading low. It's probably more like 20 inches, but still, it's moving a good amount of air, but not at very much pressure. So in 1912 or 13, when you had this installed in your house, it was better than not having anything at all. It would, of course, pick up dust and dirt, but didn't stand up very well to technology that was available in later years, such as a good Electrolux portable vacuum that you could have bought starting in 1924. That would have had quite a bit more performance than one of these things. But it was the least costly and the simplest central vacuum available at the time, and I am happy to have this example. Motor's double ball bearing with oil ports here and there, and it's got a lot of mass, the rotor does, and so it takes a long time to wind down. and does make quite a cool sound starting up and winding down.